Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Welcome to the today's maths class. We are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Practical Geometry. Chapter number 10, Practical Geometry. Right? So, in the previous classes, already you know that what is a triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure with three line segments. Okay, so now we know the criterions of congruency of triangles. So there are four criterions are there, that is side side side, that is triple S criterion, and second one is side angle side criterion, third one is angle side angle criterion, and fourth one is right angle hypotenuse and side, that is RHS criterion. So by using these four criterions, we are going to construct a triangle, right? Now today we are going to discuss first one is that is constructing a triangle when the lengths of its three sides are known, that is SSS criterion. Now let us discuss a simple example. Constructing a triangle ABC, given that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, and AC equal to 7 centimeter. Here they given three sides of a triangle. Three measurements they given. By using these three measurements, we are going to construct a triangle. So before going to construct a triangle, first of all you can construct one rough diagram. Okay. Now rough diagram also you can construct with scale only. See that your pencils very sharp while constructing a construction, any triangle or any quadrilateral. Okay, right. So now children, we are going to construct first of all rough diagram. Rough diagram also you can use scale and as well as a pencil. Okay, now first of all I am going to construct BC. Okay, without any measurements. This is a triangle ABC. You just construct a triangle with scale. Okay. Now this is a triangle A, B, and C. Here they given measurements BC equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. This is a rough diagram. Now the actual construction we are going to construct with compass. So first of all we can draw a line segment BC with 6 centimeter. Okay, draw a line segment BC with 6 centimeter. Start from 0. Start from 0. Okay. Right, 6 centimeter exactly. So now this is a vertices, this is B and that is C here. Okay, BC is how much here? 6 centimeter. Clear? Now we need to construct AB. Okay, so AB is how much here? 5 centimeter. Now, by using compass, you can take 5 centimeter on the scale. 5 centimeter on the scale. Okay, you can measure 5 centimeter on the scale by using compass. You just see this here, observe here. So now 5 centimeter I am going to take on the scale to construct an arc. Okay, 5 centimeter. You can take exactly 5 centimeter from 0 to 5. Okay. You can take from 0 to 5. Right children? With this 5 centimeter, take center as B. Take center as B. Draw the arc. Okay. Draw an arc above the line segment BC. Now, let us see this here. AC is 7 centimeter. AC is 7 centimeter. So, in the same way, you can take 7 centimeter on the scale with compass. Take 7 centimeter on the scale with compass. Okay. Now take center as C. take center as C, cut that arc, okay, cut this arc wherever you are, right. Now these two arcs meeting at one point, that is A. This is point A. Now join AB and AC with scale. AB and AC with scale. AB and as well as AC also. Okay, join AB and AC. Right. This is a required triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Is this clear, children? So by using triple S criterion, we can construct a triangle, right? So the given measurements BC equal to 6 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Clear, children? Now let us discuss one more construction by using SAS criterion. Right, children? Now let us discuss SAS criterion. What is SAS criterion? Side, angle and side. That is, this angle is included between two sides. Clear? So by using SAS criterion, we are going to construct a triangle PQR. Given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and PQR, angle PQR is equal to 60 degrees. So by using these three measurements, we are going to construct a triangle, a PQR. Now construct first of all rough diagram. Okay, then you should get idea how to construct a triangle PQR. So now QR is a 5.5 centimeter they given. So justly you can draw a rough diagram with scale only, but don't use the exact measurements. Okay, this is QR. Okay, this is Q, this is R. QR is a 5.5 centimeter. Clear? Now Q, at angle Q will be having 60 degrees. You just draw PQR by using scale. Right, children? So now this is PQR. Q is 60 degrees. Okay? Right, children? So angle Q is 60 degrees and PQ is 3 centimeter. Okay? So by using these three measurements, we are going to construct a triangle by using SAS criterion. Okay, first of all, we can construct a side QR with 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now whenever you are constructing a triangle, start from 0. Okay, so here at 0, from 0 you need to take 5.5 centimeter. Clear? From 0 we can draw a line segment 5.5 centimeter. Clear, children? This is QR 5.5 centimeter. This is R and this is Q. Okay, 5.5 centimeter. Now we are going to construct a 60 degrees by using compass. Don't use protractor. By using compass, we can construct 60 degrees here. Okay, do you know how to construct 60 degrees? Right. Take some convenient radius. Okay, take some convenient radius. Now from center Q, take center as Q. You just draw the arc. Okay, take some convenient radius. From Q, you just draw the arc. It will intersect QR at one point. See, like this you can construct one arc. Okay, be careful while constructing an arc. With that same radius, see this here. When you are constructing a arc, this arc will intersect QR at point A here. Okay, this is a point A, right? Now with that same radius, take center as A, cut that arc with another arc. Already in 6th standard we constructed how to construct 60 degrees. Okay, this is 60 degrees. Clear? Right. Right, children? So now this point, this both the arcs will intersect at point B. Let us take this is point B. Now you just draw a ray from Q. It will passing through B. Draw Q X is a ray. Okay, from Q you just draw a ray. Right? This is QX. Okay. This is QX array. Clear? Now, after completion of the ray, you can take, see, PQ is how much here? 3 centimeter. Take 3 centimeter on the scale. Take 3 centimeters on the scale. Okay. Now, take center as Q. Draw the arc on QX. Take center as Q. Draw the arc on QX. Okay, this arc will intersect QX at point P. Okay, this is the point P. Now join PR. Join PR also. Join PR. So now this is the required construction where PQ is equal to 3 centimeters. Angle Q is equal to 60 degrees and as well as QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter. This is SAS criterion. Is this clear, children, everyone? Right? Right, children. I hope you understood that today's class how to construct a triangle by using SAS criterion and as well as SAS criterion. And here is today's homework. Complete exercise 10.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and in exercise 10.3, question number 1, 2, 3. These are all very simple constructions. You can construct in your classwork and please complete the homework and forward to my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children. Have a great day.